Keep your car protected and looking new every day with our world-class STEK protective films. Our flagship product, DynaShield, is a premium paint protection film offering top-notch performance, durability, and reliability. DynaShield's nanoglass top coat is bonded to the film at a molecular level during the manufacturing process, virtually eliminating the need for waxes or aftermarket top coatings. Hydrophobic and highly damage-resistant, DynaShields also boasts super self-healing properties and puncture resistance, effectively shielding against surface-level nicks and scratches. Dyno Forged Matte is the newest pattern from STEK that is perfect for accenting, hydrophobic and self-healing. Our revolutionary fashion film protects against stains, scratches, and contamination, ensuring that every inch of your vehicle's surface is immaculately preserved. To find out more about our paint protection film services, please contact us at 866-87560 for more information.